Okay, so I have to get ready for work, but figured might as well make a little video, and we have a special guest today.
What up?
Bobby.
How you doing?
Special.
Hey. I'm not that special.
Sometimes I wonder.
And we all do, even I do.
So how is everybody? It's been a while since y'all seen me, since her and Bob have been very selfish with the videos lately.
And I didn't know about
Most of the videos have been drag videos, so you can shove
Exactly.
it. Shove it. Shove it.
I'd rather
Hey,
we're on camera. That's to that point. Anyone?
He's a little bit creepy sometimes.
That's just me. See, I can't help it.
If y'all want his number,
You
comment. I will be more than happy to give it to you. And you can harass him all you want. He doesn't mind, I promise.
Actually,
I think he would enjoy that a lot. Not sure. Let's ask him.
bullshit.
Bullshit?
I wouldn't enjoy it.
Like I said, it's 7:02. No.
Hey. Don't give away my secret.
He's got a butt
Okay.
later.
He's got a butt buddy.
And they Brian either.
They don't know Brian.
Don't give a damn.
They don't know anybody.
They're gonna know everybody.
You guys are gonna know everybody by the time this shit ends. Trust me.
This is only going to be like a 2-minute video.
Don't give a damn. I'm not
Completely crazy. But he'll probably be around a little bit more often. If he would come around.
chewing on my other shit. Don't harass me. And nobody's giving my phone number yet, so
Don't harass me.
This is why Mexicans drive me crazy.
They say don't arrest me, you think the cops are coming around.
Hey, I hear stop and I'm not the bullshit. Fuck it. I ain't even sticking around long enough. I ain't sticking around long enough.
Hey, product question. Anywho.
I'm surrounded by psychotic people. Oh wait, I should talk about myself. Joke.
Hey, joke, I quit it.
Okay, but wanted to do this before going to work. And you got to meet Hobby and you saw Kyle. So next time, bitches.